Hello everyone, this is Mr. Brown and Bass here. Starting a new project as of today. We will be installing some speakers across the rear deck. We'll be putting 2 8s and 2 6.5s across the rear deck. As well as audio control amplifier, altitude A600.4, and a Salt 200.2. Nice. Looks like we got almost everything we need. Got the Titan 8. Kind of thought this was cool. Didn't know they do that. Yes. Some of these will probably go in the doors later.
See, I think you see down in there, the plastic's holding it. So I bet if you put one of these tools, hold on. Let me see what you got here.
Fun stuff.